News.
Yamamo akwaba afitu mekande share yen ewo Facebook no so na fi YouTube ni nyina da DLFM 106.9 na yemfa kasebo no enchiremu emfa ensomum ya sha kasebo na se de afiri asante matanum na mekasai asante mantemu ene de yada na yade a ene jese wontia no masu obi nko na obi aba efiri sei eya nkra ene nkrata efiri menhia himfie ebeto dwa kiremu sei ene ayade a asante hema wanya ne babiri ekrom nana kunadu yadoma otasom yansa na yie no ene deda twato a nana hema yade no kwakura sente no krom nyina ntam din na obi ani mra ne hyehye so ne yemfa ni die ema de ani die etimi esenom na adwuma ne to dwa in fact na ani kasem ne nipa ne mpempem ebotwi free breman be hia mu no na ani kasem pam Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama kopie mu bi na pamfo koye o mampeni dada nana dankwa kufuado ena fenso aka ne mampene be de chiri Dr. Alhaji Lumba mu akopie mu adwuma de in fact na ni kasem yi pam na enam kafi ahodo ekoso asantiment mu chirim se ne eye yawade no enam sei asantiment wa ye ne ba bi kura ne de twato a omde ne kwa ban mu akwakosi ne wabraman te no nana kunadu yadom autoso miensa no omu chirim a asantiment mu enmire sam na yekase ekwi obi antam din mo obi ansi abonten enkwe de David Sabe se nana tofam sana amama na amane beto dwante no obi ani hyehye se bibia etimi ekonkan na no de yakasebo ede eba mode agemre na ne eye ahafo eye emehame ni fahene nana kofi nse de komade bi sense no kopia sentiment mu no na kurom te sen kura na kyeremu a ene covid ba ye no na sentiment tempo na de kra hodo osi ya wonante akobia ya na eye ni koso no ye onhia nipa jaza wansena kro nhia bi ne yem hye ne papa ekopam na okohia brafo ansere onya akukuduro semfa impa okrum enti sedi asantemanya dimra so no imfa de menem ne kuro ni ekonka ne yemo maba so pa
me ba ya sedi ye mehu ne yema de sesi a de yeso ye bantema me firi bantema na ebe ka akura ma nya bi amfo eho nyina ye sensama mpom me kura ehu bo me kakra na mbe duru sibirikete ho no mpam cho se ye ka sibirikete amu ne mo bantema kotia me duru ho na mbe hu abrafo ne se nipa abɔ dompem ena ma me kra ba me ho so kakra me nam mu anti me konsu ase no me hia me wura na na usu kontoto so me yensa aha ye sensama mpom firi se wo me hu bi kura da
DLFM 106.9
no kura na soja fo nam mu ne ade ne ni pepie we de me kwa ha we nso de soja ni bi anam mu bate mu aye din apolisifoɔ na nkrɔfoɔ stores ne ade nti ɔmde kaa ne moto ne ne mu ne nipa da sane de kyese nwanwa kura tumi bi wɔ baabi
eye ne kwasem se tumi bi ewo baabi we eye ahafo mehame ni fahene ne den ede nana Kofi insia ene na oti yei na eno achi ana sentimentum owura ba ku kiremu se eyade a asanteman anase otumufo osetutu otoso mienu anka se na no pei ma obi empene mo kiremu a se edua ne mre na omde na nahema a wanya ne ba bi kro na kunadu ya domotoso miensen kwa ekrom tam din into bia betumi apene mu na animre de hwene wampie o kiremu a enam sa dodo na ampie pie ntini wa hwene ya enka se nkosi na namba na de hye anyanyem wa sentiment be ha dwen fi Sabe enipa hye dem na be ma na oba hye dem mu mpie de wa hwe de be koso no eye wo yachi yinse be pie kumase no e be je nsem e wo manyim
obu ono ma ka se obi ampie nti wo hye dem onse omo se hwe na obi ampie enye ne saa ubetimi apie ba wo de ade opese obeye no no wa ye ne ntem no wa ye na akofie na anwumre de ana obi anye de empie eye saa obu ono ma ka se obi ampie nti wo hye dem yo ba na samle wo hye dem anyanyem na abanyem because wo hye dem nam so me hye dem a unua ye be de opie na mframa ye de afa ho kama what ya se bye yese sebia ebono nso a enwumle ewo se wo fi eno de ewo se wo ye de wudimla no so na nana ka se hwe na obi anye de empienti enya wadwen se ka se empienti samle wo hye oboy dem so opie yese anyi se we anana ka se bia omumpie sei ubehu ayibeku awie na fe de bebere na afa afunu
ajeta enka se na hima kunadu yadom a otoso miense ye nkwa awie ye no na lockdown kakra ba sentiment amanfo be fabro nya ho awe krakra sentiment mu ne no nya semkuma na mgofa asefo no mefre bebre phone na enko am said ya krachi ken no kurewum me afra wo no ma menya won na no achi ana Asante hene otumufo osetutu a atasiemienu ne hokafo Lady Julia osetutu ekenka ne tribute edefa Asante hema wenya ne baby ekro nana kunadu yadom a otoso miensa eho.
Tribute by Lady Julia Osei-Tutu. My beloved Nehema, when the children and I called on you recently to inform you that we were traveling, you were adamant that I come with them again the following day to say goodbye in person. Little did I know that it was your final farewell to us. Nana, when I first arrived at Menchia, your warmth and gentle presence was one of the enduring comforts of my new home. It was also a comfort and a joy to learn that you, my dear sister-in-law, shared the same name as my beloved birth mother, Konedru. Together with your dear mother and my most cherished mother-in-law, Nanefia Kobi Sewampem II, you both made me feel safe and welcome. This warmth between us persisted as you assumed the reins of Queen Mother of our beloved Asante Kingdom. Nana, I will miss our conversations, especially when you would break into song midway in our conversations and shower me with Mrania, praises and blessings. I will miss our various shared experiences, supporting you in the running of Asante Hema's household, our Christmas gift exchanges, your phone calls, and your occasional visits to Asante Heme to bless and encourage him. Kotoko Hema, your Obido Mbie says thank you for your warmth and generosity of spirit. Your usual greeting to me was, Ifirua, Mira Yere, Kramiseya, Nana, Nanswan Chayama Meanquama, Ametua Kronoso. Nehema, in your absence, who will shower me with these appellations and affirmations that made me feel so very special? My beloved sister-in-law, please convey my warmest regards to Master Konofo, Nanefia Kobise Wampem II, your mother, and my dearest departed mother-in-law, as you join her in the realms of our ancestors to watch over Tumfo and our entire family. May the Almighty Chediampon grant you peaceful passage into the ancestral kingdom. Demi Fedri Nanahema, Mekuma, Memame, and Metofo. Demi Fedri Nanama Kwadwo the third.
DLFM 106.9.
Demi Fedri Nana Santehema, Mekuma Senantiye. Thank you.
Wey eye Lady Julia Osei-Tutu. Asante hene otumufo Osei-Tutu a tosimienu hokafo na wote se okenkan ni tribute no na no achi no na Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama kopie mu na Asante mantem suafo me wa fast Dr. Frank Amakwahene ejina mu ekenkan ni tribute no edema no.
Tribute by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana. It is with profound sorrow and a heavy heart that I join the people of Ghana, particularly Asante Man, in mourning the passing of a truly remarkable matriarch, the late Nana Konedru Yadom III. She was without a doubt a majestic pillar of strength and inspiration, and not only to the Asante Man and the Menchia Palace, but to the entire nation. Throughout her 8-year reign, she embodied a true essence of Asante values, maintaining tradition with steadfast dedication and projecting an image of dignity and peace. Her wise counsel and astute guidance were invaluable. Indeed, during my limited visits to her palace in Kumasi, I benefited immensely from her profound insights and unwavering dedication to the welfare of our people. She was truly an inspiration and a worthy role model, particularly for the women of Asante Man and Ghana at large. Her devotion to service and unwavering commitment to the welfare of All people were truly unmatched. My wife, Lordina, often spoke of the warmth and maternal embrace that she experienced during her visit to Malaysia, feeling truly at home in the Asante Hima's presence. That was a testament to Nana Kwadwo III's profound influence and generous hospitality. A passing at the distinguished age
DLFM
of 98 leaves
106.9.
a deep void in her heart and in Ghana's traditional landscape. She led a full and a very meaningful, motivate future generations. Nana Hima, Amansayina Mame, may your soul rest in perfect peace and in eternal peace. Thank you.
We Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama ni tributor Asante man temuswafo Dr. Frank Amakwahine ejinemu ekenkan edema no na ne kwakura mo no ana Asante hene otumufo osetutu a otoso mienu enam se ade ato na nti ono wanka se ntimi ankenkan ne tribi nemum ahemfo ejinemu ekenkan edema no.
The passing of Nana Kwadwo III, my beloved senior sister, the Asante Hima and mother of the golden stool, has left an emptiness in my heart and in the soul of Asante mind. It is not easy for me, as king, to put into words the depth of my grief, for the nation has lost a mother, and I have lost not only a sister, but one of my greatest pillars of strength. She was not only the Asante Hima in title, she was truly the mother of the kingdom, the one whose calm and measured presence held together the delicate threads of our family, our lineage, and our tradition. Before the weight of the golden stool was placed upon me, she had already carried the weight of sisterhood, of counsel, and of course of love. She was there in the quiet corridors of our childhood, guiding me with the steady hand of an elder, preparing me in a way I didn't fully understand until destiny placed on me the golden stone. Her reign as Asante Hima was marked by dignity, humility, and service. She sat in majesty, yet never placed herself above her people. She was the voice of the women in the markets, the comfort of widows, the guardian of orphans, and the reconciler of families in dispute. She reminded us that leadership is not about command, but about care, not about domination, but about compassion. In her court, she listened with patience. In council, she spoke with wisdom. In ceremony, she carried herself with majesty. And in her private life, she showed a tenderness that only a mother can offer. She embodied the sacred proverb, Oba Enawo Ohene, which it is a woman who gives birth to a king.
Eni awoti ye aye Asante hene otumufo osetutu ne tribute ne okenkan edefa Asante Hima wanya ne bebe eko ne den ede Nana Kwadwo Yadom a otoso emiensa nemom enam sade ato Asante hene ni na sabe de ade ato nani enya ono ana ye ne dachi apan so nya ono ana pamti no ahemfo Asante matemu ewo menhia de dwuma eboa no ena mugina mu ekenkan ne tribute no ede ema no sikanti Nana nya bedu anadwi ye hwese Asante man betimi ede Nana Kwadwo Yadom autoso miensa emu no betimi akọ ban mu omba kwesi ni wo breman
se ne be ya bibia betimi akoyi wo ho no enti asantefo no omo hye dem o yesre o
obia owo kumase sese no efi samre kura ni mre no nson koyi amesre na wo de nanu nkomo kura nko hye dem kakra beboa beboa munya ne saa kama me yesho so obia kura mpie na ja tem din ba bia nye din na nana enkoda din nana nka yeboya homoden se yensa beka yana musini o Asante matem to nkra de ma yen asona ba kodwawusu nanso yebona homa no musa atum bia wodede ni ntino onte yenka ntino yento akase bono so emere semu yensa kana yebefa no na yene no edi nkomo afira Asante matem.
Yantoa Kasiabone so and not teachers and educational workers union edema a trades union congress for abepema kan etremu say eye fia de bobo som ne de toso dunkru won fimpim yenu ne aduonunum ni mu ade a omo be strike ase omo nim da omo be wie na saa na montoi anya susuaso power technical and public universities sanso ana Ghana Library Authority and Ghana Museums and Monuments board for so a omo chiema ya de obi antimi nsi omo kwen sanse niema wasa aban enyema wom no omo ayo ma agyen se nya de ombe yo madin hihye ni na so na so ni na achi na ban ayomani de amawom na ye statement omo de betu dwa General Secretary King James Azotiba assign ye na otwemu se ya de omo aye follow ups ni na achi na emom aye mpenifo na yo ma agyen se enya de ombe fi wom ti strike ne de kopim sa aban be yo mani so ade hu de amawom no enya de a omo bejai
enti o ma betua atua o omo tie atua yate na yanto akase bo so yenyira mu ewo adusua ana anwomasua mu na so ya na hwe o man Ghana adusua so me kire Ministry of Education eden krata bonten abekasa kire mi sem emfempim yenu ne de nunum eye school placement no bibia datin ye mo fra no mo kwatwere basic education certificate examination etwaditia eka ne se BEC no bibia bawie ma mofra no so hwe no sunsanso no abawie ye kama na mu kire ma mofra kwatwere nso hwe no eye 603,328 ena mbo modern kwatwere nso hwe no na o kire mu a emu mako 590,309 ena timi qualify wonom no omutumi nya placement a wonom eba beko senior high school CB ene senior high no se ne ye senior high technical se TVET ni nyina no ye kan se technical and vocational institutions no TVET ni nyina da wonom ekobi na penifo akata na mu kire mu se eye 483,800 candidate a mo kwatwere nso hwe no edimu gina mu ma oha mu chichemu aduwatwem yenu ene kire se 82% abo mo modern pa nya placement bibia konkan pam no kire mu a emu mako 107,509 candidate wenu mo de ekojeta school ahodo mo eye o madwen se mo pe no o mo nsan ka fi so mo emu high obi bo amede me prempe college na me pe school we na so ne modern bo na fana nkopie mu ntino ojugu bye say schools no on man timi anya ene penifo se yanka nkyira mo say eni da so nyansa eni senti mo betima ye self placement mankasa mo beko na mo de mensa akwa be fontentan so atintim se menya we dia mepewe no betima nya kwanya na school a wo pe no wetima nya kwanya etimi akom na osoafo hwe o man Ghana homasua so be de akire meche deputy education minister Dr. Clement Apak echechire nsemu akire mu se schools ahoda mo fa no esalete ye in fact na emu otu schools no so na so hwe modern mo school fo no bi boy na sa school no dutu obi dia ho a ontumi nya visa sabe twice no ubenya o modern mo na bekire anase wado na bekire wabomu ni senti wo salati school kese bi ne wa nya bo apɛ na so modern mo na ntumi fa nkopiem o kire mo adisua fo school awda mo pɛ mo nsanka no mo modern na mo nkonkoye self placement na mo na mo school no mo tumi enkobi o de nsem sei etu nsentwefo anim.
I am pleased to announce that 483,800 candidates representing 82% have been successfully placed. Of this figure, 248,038 students are female, constituting 51.4%, and 234,783 are males, constituting 48.6%. However, 107,509 candidates, making up 18.2%, could not be matched with their initial choices due to the high demand for Category A schools. Ladies and gentlemen, as a nation, we must acknowledge that while access to secondary education is expanding, the demand for certain top-tier schools remains higher than their available capacities. It is therefore important that we manage expectations and, more importantly, we work together to strengthen all schools. Every Ghanaian child deserves quality education, no matter where they are placed.
DLFM
To address this, the
106.9
self-placement portal has been activated and is currently live. All qualified candidates who were not automatically placed are encouraged to log onto the system and to select from the schools with available vacancies.
Ai ntemo amonko na schools na muyi no sa category eye A no Momode bona fuma nkopiem enti mo a monkwa mo fa musan kotintim abefo tenta no so adamon select school no foforo na munyante saa be ha dwen na ne kwakra mu no na Dr. Clement Park echirima afiwe no aso hwe o man Ghana woman so no ahya se wono ma piloting na eye private schools ankrankra schools no o ma select mu mako eduoson 70 samba be boana free free SHS program no o mo de bia ko no munti sa ankrankra schools no free senior high school na bi kwa honom enti obetumi akwa oba no kwa kapre ontua bi o chema kan na ye mako aduonu ba ko no so ban de bia ka ho ese amekese de ehura konanim ma schools no mako aduoson ne wo mayi mu a Ghana ni bia betumi akwa honom ankrankra school na so wo kwa anya de a wo betua kapre o kiremu a wo hwe total na placement ahodo aba no mu kiremu sem 724 public SHS efin so senior technical schools and efin so emu mako 233 na TVET ho ne asenso anudwuma schools no ko bia beboa and efin so mu mako aduoson nkwankro school ento ba no wanya school mu kwan a onkwa honom na nkwakwaje tete beboa pa ne center o kiremu a wanoma biebie mea ahodo bi ewo ye mensene mantam metra district and original and efin so mamu nyina membia obekọ bia no wo ha obetumi de akọ nat ho ahodo nkrabo premantem so wokọ na wo ha bi obibi a wonte ase efra placement o beboa na ja won so wanya school ni bi atumi akọ no so kire mu sei editor central for anim.
This year, as part of the free senior high school program, we are piloting 70 private senior high schools. At the time of the school selection process, only 21 of these private senior high schools were available. But I am pleased to inform you that all 70 private senior high schools are now accessible on the portal, providing more opportunities for students. In total, the placement program covers 724 public senior and senior high technical schools, 233 TVET institutions, and 70 private senior high schools under the pilot program.
Eni a woti ye ayo sofo be de chiro no ena wo hwe enwomasua so e wo man Ghana mo ne den de Dr. Clement Park ne ena woti ye ye nyina we so e na yenkeka madwen chira amode abesom ye ni bi e wo Facebook no so na yemfa ensomo we Efri Mohammed Prince no say good evening Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa. In fact mu bo adwumade yankopon chira mo pi no hwe live edi free gomu akokofu no say Nhyiraba. In fact mo sompa o say menya de mento t-shirt na ba akoma ho Mohammed o de abra why oba e be ka ho asem we kire ho na master planner junior kentampo de aba na o chirim so o kire ya pa adwumade a ye bo. In fact ye adwuma so nti yankopon chira ye pa ne yemfa nchama ye honabo Sofia free danso ye bono is original woman organizer sir maintain mate Elizabeth sweet Elizabeth de aba no say good evening my brother and sister. What a news. Bravo. Sweet Betty. Nideno no. Odi free Lebanon zone 4. Medas me wafa se. Medas pa. Comfort meti de abano say good evening wafa Sammy B. Eni Adjoa Agyei Sikapa. Dear news in fact. Always sweet like anomanam na. Awoda kesiye enko enfama. Eye Zila Jain. Blessings to her. Yada se. Obete pa. Aton kapa. Ye nyina we suna kase bono. Yamra wonchen fie hono mo. Na oswafo be de chiro hwe manga na humasu so de abase. Omam kwa friends on no binimu percent ko munya A no category A ni so mu mmade mana fo mu de mu koye self placement enti wo ba no se okwa friends on na e bia o percent ko prempekele ni mmade mana fa na nko so ni se na fa no ko no nkonkoye self placement awofo no masomu na se mo se ho sen 0534050199 0593406565 mo fra na kwa friends so na ba bonten na so binimu mu chire ma mmade mana fo man ko be bi o mo pe muni o mwachi nkoye self placement na mwa na mofo no bi anya school ni bi nko majo be wafa se
wafa
edafo be ni 49
wafa mpacho majo
mejo so ya bre ni 30 seconds ma yenko
wafa mpacho sa pepe because you say sabi wa bomu wado eneche wa bomu so fu se wo ngoma na ko choose school kese asabi ngoma ni mu entimi mfa onduru ha o ko den ho enti baby a nwoma ni di ubeduru na aja wakope wade
eno ano no me da se for na nya me nchira opi majo me dofo
hey
hello
ade na o tie na
nya botire na mza owura fi ho wafra radio so wate majo me dofo wa yafri mu kra mesra mofra Mama concentration in Coco no so what? And yes, I can see me be ananka is not meant for radio, so na yatewa a hard drain. 0534050199 0593406565 from Adjoa Medofo. Hey, Sakodia Tama come to 11 million to senior.
Madre.
Joseph Sakodia may you.
Na onzen kolano. Oga so munsia dia. Omo person be sia dia.
No answer my
Omo ko school bombe dia agronomu hweti bisa.
We are now pepekali.
Wa ko chozo we na we nta. Unko choose school kase. Jase omo nkoro nko he no omo
ko yes placement no. Mate me da se pasa ko de minshira opi. Mo nko yes placement no no. Ma Adjoa me do.
Good evening, Shaba.
Hey, Mohammed Kokofu. Go mo afọ ye checha wan me yente wa nyimiri senior.
Yeah, so. All right, nya minister ne kan me na ya agene because akwala bi atro so when ya grade bi 40. But school coach you see you know also of the grade A school. It is say holy child name Wesley girls name in Kaforo. Na wo se ne modern boy first school is so entry we dey and funny ko maybe imagine try dey can mampeni for another mampeni on yes is home one as omo grade no mutime pass one now one na ke CSHS no and cover one the rest no community see all for ska na ko go
tell no fine pa me da si pi Mohammed Gomo Kokofu ya minshira pa no ano no de anka wa feli poto sa no mo mo force mfa ne kwehye CSHS mu ko disika ense aduane kwa eno ano no ma Adjoa me dofo.
Hello.
Ma Adjoa.
Yeah, they will so but the first life they because of do.
Ma Adjoa do I am last call am enti animre.
We dey me dey radi asita na we dey me say Mrs. Abedu akonya 40. It was shop for business school.
Onya say 40.
Onya school.
Oh, oya wado 40 obetumi anya business ya de Ghana yi ne de. Uyi 40 kura uti obi kura tumi yi 50 obekọ na otia dusua dem.
Enda wo susa say na do business school.
Mo ne nko yes placement na wate. Tana pa ye share be de ho nko bebere na ntim benya ntiase bebere na wo why. Ya me chira opi obi na odi adanse no. Ye de mo nko twere nso hwe a mu wie pe na mu wie ya ye se ye na ye ba ne ba gya manfo kunu mu nye ho hwe. Mo nko yes placement ente sa mo mla ne ye nyina mkopa kuku akura se adobe mamna mo nkodo ko Ghana kura ehnya mpuntu. Bebe ye dro ne de kasebo ne ye di si a na ye kwagopama so na meke se mrante no. Agudie mu akonfo na ye krado na ye dan ye ho abasesi ye.
DL Power Sports. DL Power Sports. DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9. DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
Agudie ma konfo na yakrado enti yakwa mchina kwa mwakwa ba meke se me wafa madie nyina kwa me yafum enda fe me wafa seketwa Bismarck Edusei obo adwuma wadre pa me nko mchema mwakwa ba wafa kwa me
menia
empom de sei
yankopa adum ye kurekure mu
what's na 19000
many de wanya sa enye yi
nyase buguma akura
na wo so ho ye de
o nyame adom wafa metiapo
oba no so nya 40 okọ school ben
ndie emre ne nkrabia na beti
nyame ne hene
onko ye say placement be fa Bismarck
no over
wako de
you wagusu sha
send nsem na yompo kromo
yes bebre
send ran so Chelsea ayi me wafa se ayi DJ Afiba eno ye friend me ne phone na dum
sa
send no ni se bianka omba akwhye ayi ba me ne kefo na mokọ yo na mokọ je 31 enti endra wada kra wankra ano ye ponse se me kebi odi asi form no so ni se den anya hia die ye betwene pietu atwanwem wafa fom bre ni ti no monka jangum na yenko
abusia maimo wachu enfamra dia 106.9 FM so agudie umre ewiedu agudie mu sem ya boaboa no Ghana ha ebibiri ha no mu bi ene ama no ne ho sem ne aboa no ye de ebrewo na hye no so se ye betumi di dwumedi abrewa ye Lumba insupa eye dade Lumba insu a alcohol di jam ne ho e ka ne nyuma ho eno maso ya se di dwumedi ebrewo na minimi nua bema me a make say me din e de Kwame Efum agunafo nyina PSA or therefore bu wamponsem na me na me na every was
Bismarck do say
Jesse Etayechi Oborama Atayechi and a Kenneth Ata nso Etayechi na me sha say na me fa Ghana Premier League and sha say en fama we na me adom efia da ebe e china ewo TNA Park no Mediama FC ebehia Vision FC na time na 5 p.m. no num pain na akense na hye ase memi ndanso Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebehia Bibiani Gold Stars Kumasi no Bibiani Baku bo CAF Confederation ena Baku so ebo Champions League na Kotoko ebo Confederation ena Bibiani Gold Stars ebo Champions League sa clubs two-way ena ebeshia 11 Wonders ebeshia Heart of Lions eno 11 Wonders omafia na so masu 3 p.m. sharp na ashase Hoho United ebeshia Young Apostles na nikosi adanso Sunday so Eduana ebeshia Nations FC Ojaba Eduana ombeshia Nations FC kwesi adam then Bechem United ebeshia Baseke Holy Stars eno so nomiensa pepepe ewiem Samatex 1996 ebeshia Karela United eno so 3 p.m. sharp na me adoma Saturday no so match asesa ke baso Kumasi Asante Kotoko ani Bibiani Gold Stars no esa Confederation ani Champions League ninti eno ya postpone eti nyame adom repemu ne de eda match na meba so de bebrel na se na mekaniko se aduana ebehia Nations FC Bechem United ebehia Baseke Holy Stars Samatex ebehia Karela United then Swedro Aboto All Blacks ebehia Brekum Chelsea eno ewo Swedro Park Monday Adjoa da no so Dreams FC ebehia Accra House Folk eno baso kama then CAF Champions League baso prelims no ena baso no eno ne ya memeninda nyame yadoma memende chinechi yai Bibiani Gold Stars ebehia JS Kabila eno anase Kabili ewo Algeria eno baso ba eno no home Bibiani Gold Stars ebo Accra Sports Stadium nyame yadoma memenda then rate anase siki abejeje ewo stance enie Popular stand free. Popular stand okwa yentu ahwe enti Adjoa Agyei Sikapa ne omamaka kofitela mumfa moni chirem popular stand namko tenase ho na F4 lower VIP 30 Ghana cedis upper VIP 50 Ghana cedis and VIP 100 Ghana cedis na yemorem CAF Confederation nso a eno so prelims ni nie onyakopon ya adoma siada Sunday Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebehia Kwara United na match na no so beba so ewo Accra Sports Stadium eno ye kwesiada enti after say Bibiani Gold Stars abo ono no Champions League ewie no then Kumasi Asante Kotoko betua so ewo Accra Sports Stadium na rate ni eno dia popular stand kofitela mamu kobi 50 cedis na center line no so 70 Ghana cedis and lower VIP 100 Ghana cedis upper VIP 150 Ghana cedis and VIP very, very important personalities in Agasano. 200 Ghana cedis. Now, pre-match interviews course. Now, coach of Kumasi Asante Kotoko at the same tuja towards preparation at Kotoko Ayeno. Now, on when Yakasem, match omni brekum chase boy no, preparation at the Maomu. Esa so to me ko din kunu away for the first time in 15 years, no. And prepare me very well on me to me Akoshia Kwara FC on me tria for so. Now, Yankone Kote coach carries it in a new mass.
Well, I would say it's good. We are fighting to put things together. Luckily, we are just from the pre-season and we tested our energy against Brekum. And then we saw where we went right and then where we went wrong. So we are here to polish it before meeting Kwara United.
Coach, Karim Zuto enuma se na otie no. Yasa moremu a Karim Zuto de atuja se obi bisa na se bisa ne se kwan be na onim carafon e no ka so no de hu ohia so obehu omu bebre. De hia ne so ma well prepared as a match no so a obetumi din kun. Yanko ne ekoti coach Karim Zuto.
Well, I think if I come out to tell you all what I knew about them, it means I'm exposing myself. I'm also making them see my preparation or my intention towards them. What I think they played 3 matches before or 4 matches before coming down here, and lucky.
Coach Karim Zito ene enatiano na ensafu from musu no yasem bisa ne se Kwame Poku oh ya kotoko player no injury hu nsem etisen na coach ade etu dwa se eye no kure we prade but players bi so no o recover ya Peter Amidu Akwa Lord Amwa and Shaibu players me san we die omo die o recover o betima beboa ama kotoko afa no ntoma pa afia yanko
it has also turned down my first initiative, first plan. And you always have to use what you have and go for what you want to. For the day coming back, I'm very happy, but unfortunately, I may not get them this week. From the look of things, I may get them from the coming weeks. So, seriously, focus absent will affect me, but not because I think it was after he went out before the game. So it gave me another clue. If Poku is not in the game, what am I going to do to achieve or to make amendments at his position? They were able to do.
Coach Karim Zito ne NLT na in Safufro Muso, the captain of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Samba O'Neil, the Congolese international at the Adjoa. Now when I be say mentality and readiness ever game on my bonnet so no so no the my crowd pa if you say another opportunity at the man so wait me din kunim esan kunum di obrekum Chelsea so no another opportunity about the mom yankone koti Kotoko captain Samba O'Neil.
My mentality, as you know, and I'm always ready, is another opportunity for me to make things different. Sorry.
Captain for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Samba O'Neil na otene kan. Yes, Samba na ebiem say Kotoko. Mo confidence level to say no confidence level about pesu say bibi no. Esan say omutumi win brekum Chelsea na abo mo confidence level na koso. Afensu a match and as a game on bebo edi agye omudin enti Kotoko fans any Africa and as a Ghana fans mu ye crowd so megye omudin yanko ne nkotie Samba O'Neil.
We are confident, so we are training so hard for this opportunity. I will say it again, and as we know, most of us is our first time to play this kind of competition, so we need to go all out and to make our names.
And the captain of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the Congolese international, Samba O'Neil ne NLT no. Ne Samba bisa ne biem say, unim say o bo clubs bi o Ghana ha se no Kotoko pressure wom. Na one kasa we captain say no be manage pressure no say pressure they say o mo bia o bo big club bia there was say o under pressure. Into onu de ofa ne say eye bibia normal na obesere fans so say munya botre na mo fe ne Jemra Park obe win. Yanko ne koti Samba O'Neil.
You know, always the pressure when you play a big club like Kotoko, you have to know that like everything you do, they will expect you to win. So whether you play well or bad, you have to win. So the pressure, like.
So the Congolese international Samba O'Neil, your Kumasi Asante Kotoko captain and now tenin. Baby Ameduno, Maminje Maminu Abema, Bismarck Eduse non Tiras.
Valentino
DL Power Sports, DL Power Sports, DL Power Sports, DL Power Sports.
Valentino Brakwami Ariani Seno, Lumba Super Dama or the Alpha flight number DL 1069 Akonkrofon Cross Yakofa latest and exclusive no common in answer the bed down our Jumadi and so make out say who join the show no our Facebook capital D capital L 106.9 champion Kofi Taylor Dama me patonya glimpses of videos and images ni na nso your Facebook wall na bibi bia aye kama maka choda set na watching mu na UEFA Champions League na patronra games ahodo etodwa ukopiem enso so ewo enra resource ne yensaka yade ema odwumade no so dia Olympiacos etrafie eto ne nsafre bobo kwa from perform patro after 90 minutes no obi antimi afa bo anton yonko atrem slavra praha enso ne bobo kwa
friend Bondo claimed me patcho after 90 minutes obi anso timi bono moden share 2-2 Ayas etnafe our Johan Cruyff Arena Emma Inter Milan ekoto shomo so ebo me kamienu akwadana je friend Marcus Thuram onenya 2 goals nyina enso edema Inter Milan enra omofa 3 maximum points enso our Johan Cruyff Arena Ayas antimi ante Bayern Munich enra big game masa Bayern for no omoma sound police and I said yeah can say dede ankofo pi enso be okrom no omutimi shatini nyina down Allianz Arena no patcho Bayer to echi bobo kwa your friend Chelsea eboma ka poli miansa Chelsea etimu ba kwa kwadana your friend Trevor Chalobah 20th minute patcho na washa no if it's a pressure not just a Bayer for the good Chelsea so no na ano den papa 27th minute akwadana your friend Harry Kane enya penalty otimi converting ma bibia enso ya kama Cole Palmer enya consolation goal no on the 29th minute and 63rd minute akwadana your friend Harry Kane the back pay so me patcho Bayer share Chelsea bobo kona kamia so mu team back Liverpool enso so etna Anfield any Atletico Club de Madrid erindam so me patcho Liverpool share me Atletico Club de Madrid etimu mienu anonso ne nkoma free Liverpool ne Atletico Club de Madrid game no enso eba me den nkoma ne pina ema Paris Saint-Germain etra fie ewo Parc des Princes patcho ochi Atlanta bona ka poli anaya Atlanta antimi adabra kana ne number of games pina enso etojwa me patcho Club Bridge AS Monaco me no kasa idea investors ebeya monhyehyɛ foforo efise omakodi ncho eka poli anan unim se akwadana ye friend Salusu ho ena osina kan omutimi baako me patcho Copenhagen ene Borussia anasa de kan se Bayern Leverkusen me patchom game na bawiye 2-2 na Eintracht Frankfurt enso ene Galatasaray game na baso 7 p.m. sanso na Manchester City ene Napoli game na so baso 7 p.m. me patcho na nwumre ampa na Adjoa ewo St James's Park Newcastle United ene FC Barcelona sa game ni komo pi wachile meba bedi enso ma won dia kwa ne dia ba Sporting CP enso ne bobo kwa ye from se Karat Almaty omo efi Kazakhstan champion Kofi Taylor mu team no omo ada papa Manchester United ana medium nkomo ya nei Kazakhstan team crampo team bebo Champions League na yahwe United ye hu omo amasa se amorim ne boys no mu Kenya omo na nim se Manchester United antimi an qualify no omo man enso ebo Champions League na nwumre 7 p.m. omo ne team ye from se Brand and Brand omo so Norway na unim se first leg no Adjoa Brand United for man 1 just a member Enquires Amanso Enquires United dear partner ye yamo Jemfru na fire ni nchiremu ansem from patcho proud to the gamer and then you may Adjoa was St James's Park me patcho ya twebe opani a ye friend Hansi Data Flick ye ni din komo ye busa ne se masa unim atmosphere ewo St James's Park Liverpool kwa onhusu Chelsea kwa twifa ne bo United kwa na chese yemfom nkan okra ana Hansi Data Flick se masa ono anim say pressure na say atmosphere no a huge charge na so ne boys no they are boys for success yankoni entie Hansi Data Flick senior or put on in MSC5.
But what I heard from a player, it's one of the best, maybe the best atmosphere here in the Premier League. And I expect really a strong team, tall team, with a high intensity, with a lot of dynamic. If you go in the second balls, vertically, they are playing really good. So it's a team now they built over the last years, and Eddie Howe really and his coaching staff made a fantastic job.
Weyanin koma openina je friend Hansi Data Flick ka St James's Park atmosphere no ye we anso a yebusa ne se ene ne team no menya nkwada hwe Pedri mo Gavi akwada na ye friend Mark Bana mo Casado mo nkwada toto fefe wa obusa yebusa ne se ene umbetimi asoki sa pressure Newcastle so de bemo mo e St James's Park masa Hansi Data Flick say ono or Gideon Gene boys need Spanish boys no they've seen it all and a big game we are seeing El Clasico and no crampono and kwada wait me boy masa enye Newcastle Janko yentie Hansi Data Flick senior osifa hrn simfy
a young team but also experienced players, so especially the Spanish player, they know what is to play under pressure. You know, they won a lot of titles the last year. We also the last season. And when you see or follow our season last season, we were.
We and Sema Hansi that a flag and so can after say ye bisana about the boys no. Na unim sa kwadana your friend Rafinha last weekend. Me patcho mu game against Valencia. Rafinha start oni nyina so panine say akwadano ye late ntino o benchino na ye bisana won komo say Rafinha na wo hwe Ballon d'Or no krampo ankofo pi. E we gide sa akwadano betimi aklenche Ballon d'Or no se ono on himself Rafinha no free Brazil and him South American boys they are always hungry to score goals and obi an hwe mu investors mu kofi kese ma mu betime atwa Rafinha to score yankɔ ne ntien koma Hansi data flake di FR Rafinha
one of our key player when we start to press, because he always start the dynamic for the whole team, and this is really good to see, and like you saw on Sunday, the second half when he came in, also when he has this hunger also to score goals, he's fantastic for.
We so enen komo kakra Hansi data flake di FR kwadana Jeffren Rafinha ona me pacho ni se ena me no kasa Lami Jama wenya injury enti game we on timi nsi akan Hansi data flake se masa Lami ya mo crampa ne or Rashford unim se Rashford fi Manchester United ntino ade I can say St James's Park ho enya de fufuro bia ma no yankɔ ne enti ensema Hansi flake kan concerning Lami Jama and Rashford replacement.
It's for me. It's always good to speak about players you have in your team. You know that Lamin is not playing today, maybe not on Sunday. We don't know that. We have to wait. But at the end, it's we have a strong team. We have a strong team also on this position, and you know we have Marcus Rashford in our team, and it was like that because if someone from in front
Heno enen koma chese Hansi data flake and so enen central for ahead of the game and patchena nyumrei amone Newcastle United ebo yemfrio na yemfo yani nchiremu onsemfu from na nsema na me be breaking it down say Benfica bobo kono patchom no panina ye friend Bruno Lage and so adim papa mu me patcho panina ye friend Jose Mourinho hey papa we wafa no wadwen masa obeka say Champions League playoff na Jose Mourinho and so coach team ye friend Fenerbahce me patcho Benfica and ama Mourinho ne Fenerbahce ntimi anai o man timi afo mani anchem UEFA Champions League. Me patch after self Fenerbahce yasaki Jose Mourinho no and wabenya Benfica jumane metima breaking it down and so our dear Power Sports so na Adjoa and so the man say after 25 years Jose Mourinho and so free Benfica no me patch we there I'm coming back home and no any command no so free Jose Mourinho so ya pa me di nyina ma yemfro na yemfo ani chirem e World Athletics Championship me patch e tojwa e Japan Tokyo me patch say ana notable event bi a yense timi aka no yede results no eba me patcho 100 meters hurdle e man from no obujoin show no live on Facebook champion Kofi Taylor Dama or the images ne to so me patcho baba wana ye friend no Digita Kambuji ono efi Switzerland me patcho na defense ene or the 12.246 and I said 24 seconds and so we need good baba wana ono so edi the Toby Amusan ono efi Nigeria me patcho 12.29 seconds ano didi second and ono so ne set me aka silver medal or the eba Nigeria bronze medal no e come baba and friend Grace Stark ono efi US of me patcho no and so the 12.34 seconds and ono so edidi 10 and patcho 400 meters emano say na honson come on eti akwadana and say ababa and friend Sydney McLaughlin Levron me patcho no efi US of me patcho 47.78 seconds ana ababa ono edidi kan na watimi anya gold odi ko United States of America mpacho silver medal na come ababa na ye friend Marelidi Paulina mpacho no every Dominican Republicans me mpacho no so 47.98 seconds ana no edidi second na nsenso etimi aka silver medal bronze no e come ababa e friend Sawa Ed Nasser ono every Bahrain ono so at 48.17 and I say 19 seconds and ono so at the third ono so etimi enya bronze patron 24 kasa bi say kwan na wasa dey a eya mpempi na ewie e wa abobo anu nti ofa ya me from an nsem nsi
ya quantity so man kromasen Maybe do na ye.
Yo.
I mean ya. I hope you be say asem.
Asam maybe some etime asam maybe sa ni yapon ye kɔ. Na se hu nipa bi efiri mu a. Se eka wa na chi a se ye chetua.
Nokre.
So wa japade anso ansa ya na ebusua chem obi anya ne de na mboa.
Ebusua for no mo ye japade ne ma no.
Me asem na me bisa.
Okay.
Se ma o se yire o se wo ye busua ni bia sa ebusua ne ye cha obi anya kakra na mboa. Na everything mra Adam any if we ye no mo japade ne ye de we because almost say if some no mu ye no bone am ye no na ye inhality ye de bon yefo.
Okay.
Na japade no munya ne ye de we. Enti Adam anya asase bia.
Asase be no jae.
Even so anya we.
We nya asase bia.
Ekape.
Ekanko a.
Munya muntie me ba.
Hwan ntie.
Ni Eve na o ma ye bon. Enti nam so ntime ye wo me wo bone. O ka kire me se me nana ne Adam. Any Eve na o ma ye bon. Enti nam so ntime ye wo me wo bone. Right? For someone like me, I'll ask you say Adam ne Eve so mu je adwapade. Because me nana ewu ne ye cheleka ne ye de ne kamania. Ye chene adwapade asim nya bi. Here's the case Adam no won sase o ana no ni sase. Me ya we champion ya mam bi. Ba ne bone o ye ndem beje ho akatua.
Me Adam ni if bone omo ye no ya nya bi so akatua ne ya nya na japare am ya de wa yemfa edin pa mo de monko kra me wa fa kwam ya fom and fin so bismarck adu senator monka say agude ma konfo omodes dear passport ebesim ya nimre no kase bone ye de simusemufo ne ya maze mebe twene se mo edima yo tomro sie tuntum so unity me de se sabre se chi ahoma ne ho ofa pananim tegya ese mo de mayen kofitera be matentene ga mo wi ne ahofa dwa no ona tumi gina konson so to ko twamense tu atuduro ne paya e bi nka ne da ne ho odem pa odi si obetwa de ama odi apm Facebook and for YouTube makasebo no winya bi ehwe yem Bismarck owusu eboa yen emama ya moral support me nya hoden sronko edison manumre akenkan fo ye sinkonwa esim manumre no ye hwene tia sentemu edi ameje so eye wofa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B Mahuteden eni Alhaji Abdul Twasunte mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ne mra ne ne sei
dum solid
ye sha daka mu eye Mrs. Owusu ye mamu nyina mo eni tia adehye